The way in which you treat your employees affects the way in which their brain functions. Similarly, motivate the brains of your employees to produce the best stuff, and they will also send their mind out to the CEOs of a company. That background assumptions, the stuff that we kind of think and kind of in the background that just everybody says all the time and gets used to. In the social mind and brain, equally the business brain, the family brain, the community brain, can affect your mind without your knowledge or control. Because a lot of the stuff we're doing is the effort to push back against something that's pushing us out of the centre of our lives. A lot of the motivation today, people are going, yes, I feel, yes, I'm back in the centre. But what's pushing you out?
Hi, I'm Richard Hill. Let's talk about focus and concentration. These are, of course, really important things, not only in business, but in school, at home, and also even in relationships, where you need to understand how to bring yourself and attune yourself to a particular task sometimes. Now, these words focus and concentration kind of get mixed up, I think, a lot. So the way I like to look at it is focus is the action of bringing your attention into a specific need, into a particular point. Concentration, on the other hand, I like to think of that as the description of the energy involved. So you need an energy that is around your action of focus.
Hi Matthew, hi everybody. Here we are. I'm in the middle of the Black Butts Forest, National Forest, on St John's Wood Walk. I thought that might be a nice spot, right in the middle of the bush here in my lovely Gordon in Sydney, Australia. And I want to talk to you about something that came from the Psychiatric Times, which I thought was very interesting, a very interesting website. Hello everybody, Richard Hill from the Mind Science Institute, reporting to the neuropsychotherapist for our weekly update, out on location, so I thought that might be fun, do it outside. But what's going on? It's a couple of things. I've got a bit of research and again an episode of something interesting that we can have a listen to. But what I found was an interesting thing in the journal Schizophrenia Research. Here we are at the Erickson Evolution of Psychotherapy Conference. I'm here with Carol Bean, who's, as you can see, well, you can see behind, to do with the relationships first. This is just a fantastic whole organisation. But Carol, can you tell us a little bit about what's going on? So here we are again, folks, doing re-explaining to the most relationship-oriented species on the planet how to have relationships. So we've lost stuff. I just want to thank you very much for spending a bit of time, and I'm going to show the wall behind us.
It does drive us crazy, doesn't it?
It does drive us crazy.
And what is the real world?
And what is the real world? I started to ask these questions and saying, well, first of all, I went off to do this linguistics degree to find out where we actually started to speak from. And then as I was doing linguistics, I found, you have to go back and study where the brain came from, so you better study evolution, and then where the mind came from, so you better study philosophy.
So when you get out there, don't be sent back into the win-or-lose world. Don't listen to right and wrong, somebody else's opinion. Be right in your heart. Don't be told who's good and bad. You can't be bad. You know what's good and bad. Don't let expectations ruin your desire to be what you're going to do. Fault and blame will just send you into a frenzy. Criticism is just information. Use it to make your life better and to turn the problem into a message. Isolation and separation will kill you and is killing everybody else. When you see someone isolated, grab them. With words, with heart, with arms. And we cannot have a world that is full of guilt, because without innocence, we are no longer humans. Ladies and gentlemen, I'll be over there. Come have a chat. It's been great.